What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank in Google Maps. These are 5 things that I would do immediately to rank in Google Maps. Let's get started. Watch this. All right, guys, I hope everybody's doing well. So I have a client that does pressure washing. However, his specialty is roof cleaning. And I think it's something that he does on the side. He only wants to do roof cleaning. He does not want to do anything else. So this is kind of a special case. So if you notice, we type in roof cleaning and he's somewhere around, okay, he's right up on the top. He's the first one. See the one that I outlined in red. So let me just show you a couple of things that I would do like ASAP. You need to do this right away. Hey guys, if you get any value out of this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to change your title tag. I'm going to mouse over the tab up on top here. Give me a second. Let me just outline it in red for you. And you'll notice you want to put the name of your town first, right? So over here it says Tampa Roof Cleaning because that's the service that he provides, and power washing. Now, there are sometimes people are going to use keywords like pressure washing, power washing. So you want to use all those terms in your title tag. The next thing you want to do is you want to change your H tag. This is your H1 tag, and it should be the name of your town, which is Tampa. It should be the service that you provide, right? This is the page we're trying to rank. So you want to put the name first, the name of the town first, and the service that you provide. Right? The other thing I want you to look at is look how prominent the phone number is along with the credit cards that they offer. Everything's really clear here. You'll notice underneath the logo, you'll notice the areas that they serve. And you'll notice that the phone number is once again backed up right here. The most important thing that Peerless wants is they want phone calls. Right? So they have the phone number nice and big in the right-hand side with the credit cards underneath, and they also have it backed up underneath the H tag. All right, guys, so the next thing that you want to do, it's so important, are reviews. Make me a promise for the month of November, the next 30 days, you'll get between 5 and 10 reviews from people in your zip code. What I want them to do is I want them to mention the name of your business. I want them to mention your name, that they spoke with you, and the service that you're trying to promote. DUI lawyer, teeth whitening, electrical contractor, pressure washing, roof washing, right? I want those 5 to 10 people to talk about the service that you provided for them. Look at your Facebook list, look on your phone, see who's in your zip code, and I want you to send them a link. How do you send a link? You go over to your Google business profile, right? You just go to Google, you type in your brand name, and you'll see these icons come up right here. Now, it has to be using the email address that you registered your Google business profile with, right? If you need more help, my email address is brettmoletta@gmail.com. You also see my cell phone number. I'll be happy to walk you through it if you need some help doing that. And then all you do is just click this. See where it says ask for a review? You just click that and then you copy. This is the review link. You send it out to people. And what they'll do is they'll click it. So I'll show you what it looked like. They'll just click the review link and they don't have to do anything. They don't have to look for your business. It'll just pop up just like this. And give them some parameters. Remember, have them say the service that they provided, that you provided for them, the name of the business owner, the name of the business, maybe the town or some monument that's close to them. You know, we just came back from the 120 precinct and we noticed that our roof was, on the way home, we noticed our roof was filthy and, you know, we needed a pressure washing. Or, you know, you want to try to see if you could weave that in because that's going to help you a lot. Now, another thing you want to do is you want to add pictures. If they could also send 1 or 2 pictures, right? All they have to do is just take pictures of their house. If they're pressure washing, depending on the service, they could really take a picture of anything and just upload it. It really doesn't have to be too specific. I've found that, believe it or not. Right? But it just makes the review seem more genuine. Even if they could put even if they upload a selfie. Right? Okay. So reviews. Just promise me you'll get 5 to 10 reviews in your zip code. Do not go out of your zip code. It's not going to help as much. Get them in your zip code. Okay, once again, another assignment I have here for the month of November. I need your employees. Now, if you have 100 employees, don't have all of them do it. But I need a couple of your employees, 2, 3, 4, somewhere around there, to use their driving directions once or twice a week from their house to your physical office. If you have an office, have your employees use their driving directions, their Google Maps driving directions, to drive from their home or whatever their starting point is to your office, right? It would be even great if one night they came from their home, the next time they came, they used it from a store somewhere else, right? And use their drive. They don't have to follow the driving directions because that'll switch, but turn their driving directions on. Go to Google Maps on their cell phone, put in your address, hit go, and follow the map to your office. That is going to help immensely. So the next thing you want to do this month is you want to do what's called CTR. You want to do click-through rate. And you want to have the same thing, maybe 2 or 3 people a week. If you're a very small company, do this. If you're a medium-sized company, maybe somewhere between 5 and 10 people a week. You want them to put in the keyword into Google. You notice I have it highlighted in the upper left-hand corner. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to your business and you want to click it. Now, if you're on a desktop computer, it's easier just to click website and fill out a form. So you'll click the website, right? You'll stay on the website for a couple of minutes, then you go to the contact page and you will fill out the form and hit submit. Google tracks that. You click X, Google tracks that. It sees that as a completed search, and they're happy, right? The other thing you want to do is, if you're on a cell phone, is just tap to call. You want to actually call the phone number. So once again, what you do is you put in the keyword, you scroll down and find your client, and then you either hit website or call and close out the search. That's called click-through rate. That's showing Google that the business satisfied the search. Though, if you do those things for the next couple of days, I promise your rankings will come up really, really high. Now, here's another thing. I'll give you a bonus. A lot of people don't like this. I'm not a big fan of it, but I'm going to tell you something. It works, right? If you could get it approved, it works. Now, you do have a chance of being suspended. You know what I'm going to say, right? So if I were to put right here, Tampa roof cleaning, if I put the word Tampa in here, it's going to greatly improve my rankings in Google. Greatly. But there's also a slight chance that I could get suspended. So I'm letting you know that there is a chance you could get suspended, and then you'd have to go through, getting your GMB reinstated. The chances really are small. If you're not ranking and you've tried everything, I may do it, right? But I can't tell you to do it without looking at your site, right? I probably wouldn't tell you to do it anyway. This is a choice that I would make, for some sites that I'm working on. I can't tell you to do it, but I will tell you that it will work if you put the name of your town inside right here in the GMB. If you change the name, right, and type in Tampa. Okay, so I hope this lesson helped. I hope these few things, they're really easy to do. You need some cooperation from either family, friends, clients, co-workers, right? If they're going to put in their address and drive to your office, or they're going to do this click-through rate. You want to have them do the click-through rate where they type in your name your keyword, and scroll down to your business and click it just like this. You want them to do that from their address. You want them to do that from their address. The other thing that I was going to say is reviews. Reviews are super, super hot these days. If you could get some reviews on Google and you could get them to stick, I'm noticing between the hours of 2 and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my reviews are sticking between 2 and 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this is November 1st, 2024. So, that may change, but you want to get reviews during business hours. So you don't want to get reviews at 3 o'clock in the morning. Now, look, is it possible to get reviews at 3 o'clock in the morning? Of course, right? But they appear to stick better right now between 2 and 4, right? So hopefully that helps you. Guys, this is what I do, right? I get people ranked in the Google 3-pack. It's super important to have your website optimized, your Google business profile optimized the right way, and then anything you could do off page, click-through rate, driving directions, reviews, some backlinks. If you want to throw some backlinks into the equation, that works as well with some cases. So anything that I could do to help, you see I have my cell number here. Once again, this video is dedicated to my friend Darren Marion, who passed away November 14th, 2021. He was my best friend. He owned another SEO, Rattel SEO. Fantastic guy. I miss him dearly. And be good to your family. Be good to your wife and kids. Clean up around the house. Get it off the computer every once in a while, right? Get off the computer every once in a while. Stand up, throw out the garbage, sweep up around the house. Whatever you have to do. Help out around the house. Help out around the house. You're going to be really successful in 2025. If you listen this far, I'm telling you, 2025 is going to be your year, right? So just keep doing it. Don't give up. You put in all the work, right? You put in all the effort. Get the credit for it. Get the reward. Get the reward for putting in the hard work. Don't quit now. Okay? You could do it. I have faith in you. Keep watching my videos. There's another fellow. His name is Zanet from England. He's really good. He gets right to the point. There's a couple of good guys out there. Chris Palmer, I love. My friend Alfredo Delgado. You check him out, right? Keep watching your videos. Rank in the Google 3-pack. Improve your business all the time. And 2025 is your year, kid. Keep doing your thing. All right.